How to change your first name on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your first name on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here and then click on your profile here, click complete your profile, and as you see here you will find the first name. Now just you can change it to anything you want and click save then. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.